Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you delete your Binance account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to delete your Binance account, you just simply have to open your Binance application, and after that tap to this mini Binance icon into the top left corner. After tapping into there, you have to select your profile into here, and after selecting the profile, tap to security. Now, after tapping into security, just simply scroll down to all the way bottom and you will get to see this manage accounts option. Tap to that option, and after tapping into there, you will get the option of delete account. Tap to delete account, and now after that you have to select the reason for deletion. Just simply select that and tap to continue. And now after doing all that, you will get to see this terms and condition and this warning page. Just simply read all these informations which you might find helpful, and after that tap to accept and continue if you make sure that you want to delete your account. And now at last you will get to see this page where you can see all of the asset that you have into here. Just simply check this box for I agree and accept to lose all my asset. It means if you delete your Binance account, you will lose all of your NFTs and assets that you have. Just simply tap to delete account now, and then you just simply have to confirm your identity by entering the code that Binance have sent to your email address. You will get 6-digit code into your email address, and you just simply have to enter it into this box and tap to submit. And after doing this very easy step, your Binance account will successfully be deleted. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.